Hi there! Today we're talking about silicon and silicon dioxide, which looks a little bit like this. This is silicon dioxide. In the structure of silicon dioxide, each silicon atom shares electrons with precisely 3 other oxygen atoms, and 2 of which have a double bond. The electrons are securely bonded, and so the electrons are therefore not free to move, and so silicon dioxide does not conduct electricity. Silicon dioxide is also known as sand.
Silicon and silicon dioxide have a giant lattice structure, and the atoms are arranged in a tetrahedral shape. The only difference between them is that in silicon dioxide, the tetrahedral shape is repeated in a 3D formation. For silicon, each silicon atom can covalently bond to 4 other atoms, and silicon dioxide is made of silicon and oxygen atoms, and these are also covalently bonded.
Okay, silicon dioxide is chemically stable, so it does not react with many elements because of the oxygen and silicon bonding. So if you put any reactive substance on top of it, it would not react. Silicon dioxide properties also are, it's very hard, it has very hard density, it does not conduct electricity, or is not soluble, so you cannot put in any liquids and dissolve into it. Okay, I'm going to talk about the properties of silicon and silicon dioxide. Silicon has a very high melting point because of its 2 different structures. It's semi-conductive, so it conducts some electricity but not as much as copper. And it has some resistance like of the non-metals because of its 2 different structures. It's semi-conductive, so it conducts some electricity but not as much as copper. And it has some resistance like of the non-metals. It's not very reactive at room temperature, and high temperatures is fairly reactive. It can react with many things. Now on to silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide is very stable. Silicon dioxide also has a very high melting point. It's hard. And that's all I have to say for it.
Silicon is used in optical and scientific instruments and in electronics, example in port watches. It's also used in the production of glass for windows, drinking glasses, and many others. Common in production of foods like powdered food or to absorb water in hygroscopic application. And is also most widely used semiconductor.